Hey guys, pardon my face, I just got out of work, but I wanted to show you guys that it's not impossible to grow azaleas in South or Southwest Florida. As you guys know, we are in zone 10 down here. It is extraordinarily hot most of the year. As you can see, this little azalea right here is loaded with buds. I've had this one for almost a year. It is in a container. It's got the red blooms, but this is my baby right here. And I know some people knock rhododendrons, and azaleas, but I love them and I think they're stunning and a great addition to any garden, especially if you have to have a potted garden. But this particular one I've had for about, I think 3 or 4 years, and this is about the 6th time that it's bloomed. It's managed to bloom like twice some years. Like it gets a flush and then it'll get a second flush, and it just does absolutely fantastic. So this particular one does get about between 2 or 3 hours of direct light in the morning, but in the early morning, which is important because you're going to want to fry your foliage as it gets hotter in the afternoon. So then it is in shade the rest of the day, bright shade, but shade nonetheless. And as you can see, it is blooming happily. And look at that color. It's striking, it's beautiful, it's an extravaganza of beauty. As you can see, it just looks great. I love it, and it's never bloomed this much. It's bloomed quite a bit, but not this much. This is quite a heavy season. So just remember to keep them well watered. I do let it dry out a little bit in between waterings. There should be still a little residual moisture. You don't want it to be completely stone dry or you're gonna kill your plant. So just water it in between, and then once all the brown little leaves that you see on here and all the flowers drop off, I will go ahead and trim back anything that's dead or diseased or anything that doesn't look well, shape it if I must, and then I will add a little layer of an acidic fertilizer. As you know, they like a little bit more acidic soil, which helps them bloom and thrive. And again, just make sure to keep well watered and keep out of direct scorching light all day long, because that is going to kill your plant. But again, look at that. Beautiful. She's gorgeous.